Hi there! These are Sony's newly launched Link Buds Fit. They offer a rich sound experience with top-of-the-class ANC. By the way, these share a very similar design language to the Link Buds Open, which also we recently reviewed. Both look like siblings. But the Link Buds Open come with an open ring design, so you can hear everything around you while still enjoying music. There's no ANC here, but the Link Buds Fit come with a buds design that provide good ANC. If you want to watch the Link Buds Open video, you can actually click the card up here. I'll also drop the link for that video in the description. Alright, coming back to the Fit. Now we've been using the Link Buds Fit for over a week. Let me share everything in detail, the sound, the ANC, the fit, and all in detail, so you can decide we should buy these or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the image of the earbuds, Sony Link Buds Fit. On the top you can see some of its key features and its compatibility support. At the bottom, some manufacturing details and the MRP of $24,990. Some more details here. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. There you go. Link Buds is embossed if you look carefully. And right on the top, there you go, are the Link Buds Fit. Love this green color. Let's just remove everything. At the bottom is this tray. Right here is some paperwork. Then you have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And here you can see it has ear tips of different sizes, large, small, and super small. There you go. And the best part is they're color coordinated with the earbuds you get. So cool. So let's have a quick look at the build and design. First, let's get rid of packaging. And there you go. Oh wow. So as you can see, we have the green color. You can spot the Sony branding on the top. And it comes with this marble granite kind of finish on the top. Glossy finish, but looks super premium. Best part, even though it's glossy, it doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. Very well built. It comes in this nice sandwich kind of design, which is very unique and looks truly impressive. Very well built. The whole case weighs just 41 grams. It's also really compact, light, and easy to carry. Amazing. Now as you move towards the back, you can spot the USB-C port and the pairing button here. Let's test it. If you can open it with one hand. Yes, the lid opens with one hand, which I think is very important. It kind of always makes the product feel easy to use. There you go. So right inside, you can spot the earbuds. Let's quickly remove them and have a closer look. And here are the Sony Link Buds Fit, and they look absolutely amazing. Each earbud weighs just 4.9 grams. They're really light and should be comfortable to be worn for long hours. If you look closely, you can also spot the Sony branding on them, left and right, obviously. Then you can see these ear fins, which are basically going to provide a really good grip in your ear. So if you go for workouts, this is going to be just perfect. Also, if you look closely, it comes with a buds design, which should provide a really good seal, especially for ANC. Each earbud comes with two microphones, which are going to assist you for phone calls and ANC as well. The Link Buds Fit come with IPX4 rating, so they have protection from mild splashes. You can wear it at the gym, for a run, but again, be careful. In my opinion, keep it away from water as far as possible. When it comes to codec support, you have the whole bouquet here. You have SBC, you have AAC, you have LC3, and even LDAC support. Then Google Fast Pairing is available. We open the lid next to our Android phone and you'll see a pop-up. Click to pair. I'd also recommend you download the Sony Sound Connect app from the Play Store or App Store. Just follow the setup process and it's ready to use. There you go. More on the app later. Let's talk about the fit and comfort. Well, as you can see, currently wearing both, and I would like to say that Sony really knows how to get the fit right. It snugs in really nicely, blocking most of the passive sound. Just make sure you're wearing the right size of ear tips so you get that perfect seal. The fins also provide an added grip in your ears so they don't move or fall off easily. Time for the head shake test. Wow, there you go. So they hold on really well. Also, I must add, they feel very light and you barely feel like you're wearing anything. Let's talk about the sound. Well, first you need to know that they come with 8.4mm drivers and they sound very peppy and crisp. The highs and mids are very detailed with excellent instrument separation. Sony truly knows to tune the bass to perfection. You can feel the thump, but it doesn't blow your eardrums. It doesn't give you that migraine. Those who understand premium sound will actually get what I'm trying to explain. Of course, you can also go to the companion app, custom set the equalizer, plus you can fine tune the bass in clear bass. These are one of the most balanced earbuds from Sony, I would say. Very impressive. Also like to add, Sony's Ultimate Mark 5s would be a notch up in sound experience compared to these, but I prefer the fit of these over the Mark 5. Then you can also enable DHEE from the app. It enhances the high frequency range of compressed audio like MP3s or low bitrate content with more natural sounding quality. But remember, this might affect your battery life. Alright, let's talk about ANC. So we all know Sony is probably one of the most dependable when it comes to active noise cancellation. The easiest way to activate is from the app. So, how's the experience? Well, the best place to test it was obviously outdoors. We wore it in a local train, the place where it's actually noisy. So firstly, it cancelled out almost 80 to 90% of the sound around you. The rumbling was almost gone. It removes most of the unwanted disturbance, giving you access to crystal clear music. We tested ANC in multiple scenarios and I would rate it 8 out of 10 in the ANC department. Similarly, it also comes with transparency mode, which you can turn on from the app, makes you more aware of your surroundings, which is why it's ideal while taking a walk on a busy road or park. Works really well. Alright, then we also use these for phone calls. Time for a quick demo. So, the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the Link Buds Fit. This is how you would sound to the other person when on a call. Each earbud comes with 2 microphones that cancels out most of the external sound. And trust me, people would never know I'm talking using earbuds. The quality is pretty good. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down in the comments and share your feedback with us. By the way, these also come with head nod gestures. So you can nod your head up and down while wearing the earbuds to answer an incoming call or nod left and right to reject it. You can enable this feature from the companion app. Then it also comes with dual device connectivity support. As you can see in the app, you can connect 2 phones at the same time or maybe a phone or laptop. So for example, you're watching something on your laptop and you receive a phone call, you can answer the call directly, talk, hang up, and now the audio from the laptop will resume on the earbuds. Always handy. Then there's also speak to chat. What happens is it pauses the music when it recognizes you're trying to speak to someone and it resumes when you stop talking. But this feature is a little tricky. It takes time to stop and sometimes it takes a second or 2 to resume. Can be frustrating. You can toggle this feature on and off from the app as per your convenience. Then it also comes with tap gestures, so you can pause, play the music, you can change tracks, and yes, even adjust the volume. Further, you can custom set the gestures as per your preference from the companion app. But my favorite feature is that you can even control by tapping on front of your ear. It's super impressive and works flawlessly. Just make sure you set the sensitivity to high in the wide area tap feature. I find this feature so cool. Then we also use these earbuds to watch movies and videos. Though Sony doesn't mention anything about latency, it's actually stellar. We didn't experience any lag or delay. Lip sync and audio was spot on. Yes, you can also wear these while gaming, and here too, there was barely any noticeable delay. Almost negligible. Talking about the Sony Sound Connect app. So as you can see, it's simple and clean. You can see the earbuds and the case battery, connected devices, control the music, then in device settings, speak to chat, custom set the equalizer, there's spatial sound support, 360 reality audio setup, and more. Systems tab, some more features that we spoke about earlier. Overall, it's really simple and easy to use. Alright, coming to the battery. So we get about 6 to 7 hours on a single charge without ANC and about 4 to 4.5 hours with ANC. Plus, with the case, you could get more 15 hours. I think that's pretty good. Yes, it also supports quick charge. Alright, final thoughts. So, the Link Buds Fit are probably one of the most reliable earbuds from Sony. They fit well, they sound amazing, they have all the top tier premium features, excellent ANC, and of course the gorgeous design. The Sony Link Buds Fit are already on sale for $18,990, available in 4 amazing colors to choose from. I'll share the links of all below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check these one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.